Hey guys, welcome back. I know it's been a hot minute, but I decided I would work on a second part to the CC is Vine. I figured today would be a great opportunity to work on that, considering my immune system decided to say, you know what, she's sick. She's sick. She did something wrong. She's not sure what, but we just wanted to make her day absolutely miserable. So I'm stuck at home on a Tuesday afternoon. So you two bitches, let's go. Enjoy this one, girly pops.
My mom said if I don't get my grades up, she's not gonna let me get my tetanus shot next year. That's weird. What are you gonna do? Fucking study, I guess.
I play in a band. That's fun.
I was in a band.
Please let this be a normal field trip.
With Miss Frizzle? Unfucking likely.
I'm not going to conversate with you. I'm not going to invest time.
I think it's
in
converse.
Huh?
Just say talk.
Well, perhaps it is the context in which words are spoken that give them the power or meaning.
I love you, dog!
Cocaine ruin your brain! Hey, please don't do cocaine! Hey, cocaine ruin your brain! What? Please don't do cocaine! Hey!
They like Savage, why you got a 12-car garage and you only got 15 cars? Cause we all just wanna be big rock stars and live in hilltop houses driving 15 cars. The girls come easy.
Yeah, party to the river dog!
Dude, Jordan's mom just died.
Small kickback.
Hey, it's your boy, Skinny Penis.
I don't mind. Once when I was 7 years old, I sat on a banana. And of course, that changed my life.
I do that. Yo, what's the scoop? Penis.
911 isn't an emergency? No! What is it? It's DiGiorno!